Okay, so good evening, all of you, and I hope all are means doing very well. And today also we are going discuss about very important topic. As per my knowledge, today I think we are celebrate all Indian people Gandhi Jayanti. And second thing, why means mostly Indian people they think about it when it come Gandhi word. Everybody know about. I think Gandhi means he was very means a different types a person, and he was facing lots of problem, and but he also done lots of good thing for means our country and our means for freedom. So definitely I think I have lots of idea, but I want to listen through each every one about this topic. And second thing, you can also discuss about, you can also deliver about importance of clean India and green India, and the importance of non-violence thing. Okay, so yeah, let me start today's session with Ranjit sir, because I know very well Ranjit sir also have a lots of real experience, because he has a lots of means different types experience. And now because he is working in defense sector, he have to means visit lots of a place in especially Indian. So definitely Ranjit sir has a very authentic and real experience. So would you like to say something about Ranjit sir, and all persons eagerly waited your speech. Okay, Ranjit sir, you can start, sir.
Yeah, thank you, Ravindra sir, for giving me this opportunity to speak first on this particular topic. So, good evening to all. Myself Ranjit, I am from West Bengal, and in profession I am a soldier. So, today we are going to discuss. Today, as you all know, this today is second October. Second of October is the birth anniversary of Bapuji. That means the father of nations. That is Gandhiji. So, talking about the concept that clean India and green India. So this concept, where this concept is coming from? So according to my knowledge, I think it was a dream of our Bapuji. It was the dream of our Bapuji to make our India clean, and hence to fulfill his dream, our present Prime Minister Sri Narendra Modi ji, he I think he conducting a mission, a Abhijan. This is called that Swachh Bharat Abhijan. Swachh Bharat Abhijan. So this is the concept we are coming for to fulfill his dreams, and it was launched by Narendra Modi ji, and I think 2014 this particular date, 2nd October, which is in Rajghat in Delhi, which was the one, I think, which was the 145th birth anniversary of Gandhi. Today is also 2nd October, and 2021 it was the 152 birth anniversary of Gandhi. So talking about the missions, that why why our Gandhiji is thinking in this way, because he is the person that he is the person who I think he dedicated his entire life for the for our independence, for our development of this country. And now when he going to other countries, when he sees the other countries, he also I think realize that if how don't I my country is just like that, because my country is also he is also capable to do that. So in this way, when Narendra Modi ji is Narendra Modi is, I think he launched this Swachh Bharat Abhijan. The mission of this Abhijan, it's an international, I think it's an international campaign, and this purpose of this campaign is to I think and I think promoting the so many sanitized programs in mostly in rural area. The how we how we clean our road and infrastructures. And one more thing which I would like to mention here, that this Swachh Bharat Abhijan is mostly do work on this particular, that the elimination of open defecation. That means the खुले में शौच करना. Then due to this reasons, our this mission is I think build so many Latin bathroom in mostly rural area. Our Prime Minister is also give some facilities and subsidies to who is not capable to do that. And not only that, our Prime Minister he himself took brooms to and he himself took brooms and clean the road to inspire all the citizens that take the responsibility of at least to clean your surrounding. So it will make a huge impact of all over the countries. So these are the same things, and not only that, this camping is do lot of things, and whatever they can, our this governments are also many take many possible steps. But one thing which I would like to mention here, that the concept on the concept of these things that make India clean and green. So it is mostly depend on our rights. I think only mostly depend on our right and mindset. That as a citizen, we have to thinking in this way. That as a citizen, we have some responsibility to do something good for our society, to do something good for our country, to do something good for itself and our upcoming generation also. So in this way, if we are thinking in this way, so definitely we have to do some work. We definitely we have to contribute our efforts to fulfill this mission. And one more thing which I would like to reveal here, that in India it's very I think seamless to say, it is very same to say that mostly I think Indian people, so they are don't care about it, about cleaning. They're throwing garbage here and there, not use proper dustbins, and I think the urinal and spit here and there. So these are the thinking. I think it's a deficiency of the sense of social responsibility. Actually, it's a deficiency of a sense of social responsibility. So we have to change our mindset that if our prime minister should do this type of camping, this type of do that he took himself brooms and clean the roads. Why don't who are we are nothing then compared to them. So we have to dedicate our time, we have to dedicate our effort to fulfill this mission. And not only that in this way, this particular day, today is 2nd October, this particular day, not only we are celebrate our Gandhi Jayanti, we are also contribute, and all countries and mostly in India, we are all promoting so many campaign to clean our surrounding, and these are very good things, and it is a very welcome sense to make our make our India a clean country and green country. So this is all about from my side. Thank you so much for giving me this opportunity.
Okay, it was fantastic, Ranjit sir. Whatever you delivered, I think each every word very remarkable and very authentic. Because everybody knowing about Gandhi ji, he was very talented person, and he was always trying to think about it. How to means grow our country. Definitely it's fantastic, and means thanks. Okay. So now, Natasha ma'am, would you like to say something about means this topic, because you also have lots of experience and you also live in Guwahati. So what is your means getting about your means your surrounding, because Ranjit sir also belong to West Bengal and he also live in Guwahati. So what is like a real way, because everybody know about, and I think it's like a means when we talk about it, this is the Clean India and Green India. Ranjit sir also mentioned Swachh Bharat Abhiyan. So I think it's started, I think, after means 2014. So I think we have complete something 7-6 year. So some like a place, and we talk about it, some like a particular place persons get we think about it in this way, and they take very serious. So nowadays we can see like a some places they are going very well. Whether we talk about it, sanitizer and other thing also. So I think it's a good thing. So I want to knowing about what like means a reality, especially your area. Yeah, Natasha.
Good evening, sir, and good evening to all. And sir, today is Gandhi Jayanti, so it's a very good thing, and it's a very big festival for our country. And we know that is the first 152 years of Gandhi ji. So is the birthday of the Gandhi ji. So we know that, and this day is I would like to speak only one thing, that we are always speak about cleanness and greenness. Like both are very important for our country. Not only country, actually, I want. It's important for our earth, our planet, because this is our home. Okay, but most of the time people don't think about it. And you asked about Guwahati, because I I live in Guwahati. So, sir, in a Guwahati, people always, like to do plantation, and they keep their surrounding always clean, and that is why they always feel like if they manage and they do plantation, they always feel very happy, and they enjoy their growing crops and growing plantation. But I would like to speak about our how to manage our home like that, and how to manage our society, which kind of thing we should do for our country, not only country, our planet actually. Because at home, I also realize, actually, I would like to speak only facts, which is I see all the times in front of, in society, all those. So what is the happening? We always, get our home decorated by all the, wooden things like almiras, sofas and beds like that. So we are also responsible for the cutting down trees. So how much people go do plantation? I think only few people implement this thing, and I think, and most of the people, they don't think about this thing. But what is happening nowadays, our atmosphere is oxygen is not good for us, and we know that which kind of problem is going on, population and pollution is increasing. And that all you, sir, also mentioned about the cleanliness. So nowadays, I agree that lots of people are thinking about cleanliness. They are like to do clean, and they like to clean their surrounding. But we are not thinking about greenness, because only few people do plantation on their areas. And I think I think it's a very big problem. I sometimes also realize that, like, we live in this planet, and one day we will gone from this planet. Okay, so we are not thinking about our next generation. Okay, the how they will survive their life. Sometimes I also realize that they will carry their cylinder, oxygen cylinder, because they will not get fresh air for breathing. So it's a very big problem for them. And if we don't think about them, it may be very it may be possible they may face so many difficulty for surviving their life. They may also face from the disease, lots of disease. So I think we should do plantation. We always speak about that we should do plantation, but I thought that only few people do. Also, I mentioned about that. I think we should also do plantation at our home. And I would like to speak only one truth. I actually, we should also do plantation at every each room we should do. And I have lots of plants at my home. Every each room I have plants. So it's a very good way you can do lots of things for our surrounding. We always think about our cleanness, but we need to change our mindset, and we need to do for the plantation also. And it's a very important, because if you get fresh air, then you will you will live life long. But if you don't do in this way, that means you face so many problems like breathing problems. So many people have a breathing problems, like they always take inhaler like that, because oxygen is a very important. Without oxygen we can't survive. And we know that the ozone mandal have so many holes due to this reason only, because we are only cutting down trees, we are not doing plantation. So it's a very big problem for our country. Not country, is a planet. Actually, is a matter of the planet, not our country. We always think about our region, we are not thinking about planet, sir. So thank you so much, sir. This is from my side.
Okay, Natasha ma'am, thank you. It was fantastic, because you also deliver very important information about this topic. Because especially when I start coronavirus, and everybody, I think they are nowadays also they are, I think, not too much, but in previous time they were faced lots of like a problem about oxygen, And the second thing you also mentioned about very good, I think it's true, it's everybody knowing about this term, but they don't like think about it, they never take like a serious, especially we always time means think about it about luxury life, they always time think about it like about means doesn't matter any things like destroy especially natural and forest area and other thing, they think about it only like our benefits, so it's very bad thing. And you also mentioned, I think very few members nowadays they think about it like important, and they knowing about very importance, especially importance of plantation, so that's great, ma'am, and thank you again. And Shiva also here, and Shiva also belong to Orissa, especially Bhubaneswar. So I would like to ask with Shiva. Shiva, what is your means your real experience behind this region? What is your you think about it? Yeah, Shiva.
So first of all, thank you very much for giving me an opportunity to speak in front of you all. So as the today's topic, so before starting the today's topic, I want to just tell that today we celebrate the means as a big festival, like a festival that is 2nd October, that is the birth anniversary of the Mahatma Gandhi. And see, related to this topic, if I will join the Mahatma Gandhi, it is very similar. Means keep India clean and green India. So this as a one or two sentence introduced by the Mahatma Gandhi only. So means actually when before the Mahatma Gandhi, I have little bit idea. Before the Mahatma Gandhi, what our India was. So before the Mahatma Gandhi, the India was like a waste. Like a waste. They are not disciplined. They are not keeping the India as a clean. Okay. So when the Mahatma Gandhi, as God sent as a great person to our nation, that we call as a national father also. So as a great person, the God sent that the name is Mahatma Gandhi. So he introduced one like slogan, not a slogan, like one IOSN, Swachh Abhiyan, as this Swachh Abhiyan only started keep our India as a clean. So then Mahatma Gandhi introduced this Abhiyan as a Swachh Abhiyan. Swachh Abhiyan means as simple word we can know that to keep the India clean and better and fit and fine. Okay. So then after our but uh, after the introduction of this Ayojan, means Mahatma Gandhi, the Swachh Ayojan, the people are not listening to the Mahatma Gandhi, what he means, as they are not take care of their environment or their surrounding. So actually, they don't keep the as the surrounding or the society as a clean. But the our government, means our Narendra Modi, and some great peoples also they means as they give some advice to the other people or the society peoples how to keep the India clean and how to keep the society clean. What advice means? For example, I want to give one example. For example, the persons who are cutting the trees for using some other things, means to do the household work and to sell the that woods or wood and do other things. Then after, if they cut the trees, so how we are going to get the oxygen? As properly I read in the science that without trees, no one can live. Without the trees, no one can live, because the tree is the main part of our. It is the main thing of the earth or the planet. It is the main thing. I mean, it is the what like a backbone. Means how the backbone we have, that it give us strength. Like this only, our backbone is in my mindset that our backbone is tree, because without tree, a single insects also can't live, as we or insect and animals, they can't live or they can survive in this earth, because usually the plants take the oxygen, they give the oxygen and they take the carbon dioxide. And oxygen is the most important for our body, because we breathe it. Because we breathe. Without oxygen, no one can live. Even if the single insects also, they can't live without the oxygen. So if you want to get the pure oxygen, or at least the oxygen also, so we have to plant more and more trees every day. Not every day, but as I am a student, I am studying in the 9th class, but I have a mindset that without oxygen, uh, I can't live, and my country members also, means as my country peoples also, they can't live. So I started the planting. In my house there was a small garden. There is a small garden that before this my mom does not like to plant the trees, to take care of the trees. But I started to plant the trees every day. I started planting the trees in my home. I have a small garden in my home, so I started the planting the trees. Then at least 50 or 10% we will get the oxygen. The planting the means at least means in our home there are some trees means which they provide the oxygen. At least for the means I can't provide the 100% oxygen only. At least for 20% or 10%. So it is I can provide the oxygen because I plant every day. Every day plant means I plant every day in my garden. As in my I have told that I have a small garden in my, so I have plant and take care of them. And if I will come to our society or in our environment, as you know that one disease is there in our India. One disease is there. Till now it's continue, means till now it's going on. That is coronavirus. So you know that in middle what happened. I think so. You know that the people they're not getting the oxygen. The people are not getting the oxygen, and our government they're providing the oxygen from they are bringing the oxygen from the abroad countries, as the USA, then London. So abroad countries they provide the oxygen to us to survive the people. Why this problem happen? Because as we don't means the people don't take care of their health, means as they don't take care of their nation or their country. They just simply they cut down the trees. Then our Narendra Modi, our Prime Minister, he started introducing, he started the planting the trees. Now the oxygen part is little bit now it's controlled for the COVID-19, but still it is present. So how we have to close means this cutting down of trees, and cutting down means we have to give some advice to the people. If not, our government should make some punishment. Means in my mindset that our government should make some punishment for the people. Like what kinds of punishment is if the any people will cut the trees, and so they should be punished by the high punishment as the for the like a jail or giving the fine also. So like this punishment they should have. Means in my mindset that so and we
Okay,
have
sir.
to
Siva,
in
Siva,
conclusion part
Siva,
I will.
Siva, you can conclude because
Yes
time
sir.
is very precious because only 6 minutes left and Bhavya
Yes sir.
also.
Yes sir.
Okay,
Yes.
so you can conclude and
Okay,
after that I will give chance for
okay,
Bhavya.
sir.
Okay.
Okay, okay, sir. So yes, sir. So in my conclusion part, I want to tell that please save the tree and please save the country from these harmful diseases which is coming to our country. So please save this. Means you try to save yourself, then you first think about the country. So you how to save means you have to plant more and more trees and keep the India as a clean and better. And that's all. Thank you very much for giving me an opportunity. Thank you, Ravindra sir. Thank you very much.
Okay, okay, Shiva, you also, I think you are a student and definitely, no doubt, because you have a lots of experience. Okay, so that's great. Keep continuous, okay, because I think you have a
Thank you,
lots
sir.
of time. You take action very soon. So definitely, I think one day you will get very tremendous current. Okay, Shiva, thank you.
Thank you, sir. Thank you. Thank you, sir.
And
Thank you, sir. Thank
now,
you very much.
Bhabhi, unmute yourself and switch on your video. Yeah, Bhabhi, would you like to say something about this topic? Because you also live in Gwalior. Gwalior also like a metro city, like a Guwahati and Bhubaneswar and Kolkata, So please, you have a idea about this topic, Bhavya. So please, you can also share. Okay, start, Bhavya.
Yes, sir. Sir, Clean India and Green India is our for making our countries green and clean. So this is our responsibility. And firstly, we say about what is Green India and Clean India. So this topic is given by our Bapuji and Mahatma Gandhi ji at the time of our independence time, when our
Oh, this not good thing, because I think she faced a little bit network problem. Okay, no issues. So yeah, Bhavya, come.
What happened?
Yeah. Yeah, Baba, Bhavya, go ahead, continue. Because I think your side have a little bit network problem. Okay, no issue, continue. Go ahead.
So East India Company. Yes, sir. So continue. So, sir, English East India Company and Britishers destroy our natural resources and exploit them. So our Mahatma Gandhi, the father of a nation, given the idea of a green India and clean India, but this thing is not executed. Only says by Mahatma Gandhi, but the execution of this topic is started by our PM Narendra Modi at 2 October 2014, because this is the date of our Mahatma Gandhi's birthday. And
Okay, I think she is continuous facing network problem. Okay, no issue. So I am again thanks for all of you, because all person also mentioned very remarkable point about this topic. Okay, and I think it's a very good session.
sir,
Yeah, go ahead, continuous, because I think okay, Bhavya, continuous, go ahead.
what happens?
I think yeah, Bhavya, your side have a little bit
My-
network problem.
Yes, sir. I
Okay.
think network problem. So, sir, so this is started at 2 October 2014 by PM Narendra Modi at the 145th anniversary of our Mahatma Gandhi, the father of the nation. And this is the message given by our youth, our students, our country, to clean the India. Because we say if we study, then mind is healthy, mind reside in healthy body. So this is also like that. The country is clean, our mind, our body, and our think process is also clean. So this is given by the message of our Mahatma Gandhi, and he wanted to clean.
Okay, so I think it's sufficient, and thank you again, and good night, and bye bye. Okay, because I think it's